Come test drive the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.